Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up monetization in the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app. And here we have our feed, where we have the posts from the people that we follow. Then in the top left corner we have this little bubble, which we can tap and open up our account. Then at the bottom of this list we find monetization. If you tap on this, then it's going to load, and after it is loaded, on the bottom we have the setup payment details, setup payout details button. If you tap on this, then we can connect our X account to a Stripe account, where we have to sign up, and then we can do the payout through the Stripe application. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.